Hey, what's up guys, Sasha Gun, and today we're doing Sniper Glory, and you're gonna snipe everything. So I'm a little afraid. My second time sniping. This girl, she's sniping. So yeah. This is kind of nervous. I don't think she sees me though. Alright, last time I sniped I was getting mad kills, and I'll show you my character once I die with this. And if I die, I'm gonna be pissed. I finally got it. Wow. Right? Well, I didn't play until I died. That was okay. Got to snipe some few people. I got the kill. So I'll show you what happened with my last AM mag. So I killed the first guy. He hit 3 AM mags. And then I started ripping other AMs. I split a spot in the mountain. I took all my gear when I boy. Getting spawns like it was nothing. And yeah, this is the character at the end. So we finished getting all the loot. I was like, hey, I'm gonna stop now. And yeah. Oh man, I dropped my AM max. I don't want it no more. Because now I get to sleep in the fire. Why isn't it working? Now it's like all this.